Hi, in this video, you will learn how to build an AI chatbot using your website content. First, log into your chatbot account and click Add Chatbot. From the options available, select Website to get started. Now enter your website URL and choose whether you want to scan your entire site, a section, or a single page. Click Continue. Your website is now being scanned to generate and categorize content, which will be later used by the bot. The time may vary depending on the size of your site. Once the process is done, you can choose which pages the bot should be trained with. If you decide that you want the bot to learn from the pages you excluded, you can add them later. Now click Continue. In this section, you can view and edit the welcome message the bot generated for you and customize or remove the buttons. Below, you can review the collected attributes, such as your company name, address, social media, and other important links. Click Continue to go to the bot flow created based on your knowledge sources. In the top right corner, you can see the training process is still in progress. The bot may not be able to provide answers to all questions yet, but you can already start testing it. You can ask it anything from simple questions related to your business to more complex ones. The bot understands the context of your entire conversation, making follow-up questions seamless and intuitive. If your visitor asks a question the bot is not trained to answer, it will automatically trigger the fallback interaction and redirect the visitor to the main menu. You can also change this behavior and, for example, transfer the chat to a human agent when needed. You'll notice the bot is done scanning, so it's time to explore the AI Knowledge section. Here, you can manage all your pages and other knowledge sources that you added. You can add new ones, remove them, and disable or enable them. Additionally, if your website content has been updated, you can easily refresh it in ChatBot with a simple click of a button. If your knowledge sources aren't publicly available, use the Articles section and add content manually. Just click Add Content, enter the article title, its text, and save it. The bot will now use this data to answer customer queries. There are more options to add content: Knowledge Base and Zendesk. Similarly to the website option, you can simply click Add Content and enter your URL address. All right, let's move on to training. This section collects all messages from your customers, along with the answers provided by the bot. You can find the general category here, custom ones, and sections added by default. Unmatched contains all unrecognized user queries, answered by AI, includes phrases the bot responded to based on your AI knowledge, and spam, where you can add all phrases that should lead the customer to the fallback message. Finally, we can move on to the integration section. You can add the bot to your website with the chat widget option or use one of our other integrations. Just click Connect and follow the instructions. That's it. If you'd like to learn more about ChatBot, check out other videos on our channel. Thanks for watching.